Okay, many of you have requested that we upgrade some features of the Gold membership software, and we've been listening to your requests. And the number one feature that people were really excited about getting, and I mean hundreds of emails regarding this, is to add the ability to make your own background image in the software. So now we have added that. We are listening to you. So now instead of just having these different colors you can use or the 50 different background templates we've already have in there, you can also, as a gold member, do your own custom background. So you will have to have this image hosted on a server. If you do not have your own server, there's plenty of places that you could have free image hosting. Just type in free image hosting, you will find it. So basically, yeah, we have made, we're listening to you, and I'm going to show you exactly what you can do with something like this. So the first thing I need to do is find an image on my computer that I have. So I've brought up just an image I got with some PLR images for headers I have. So basically, this isn't in any niche that I'm involved in. I do something, but this can be a header real simply converted into a Flash header. So first thing we need to do whenever you're going to be using your own header is make sure that it's the proper dimensions. We don't allow anything wider than 700 pixels. So I'm going to take a view at this, and as you can see, this one is actually 750 by 188. So we're going to resize that, and I'm going to give you a crash course on resizing an image. There is a free program out there called the GIMP, and I believe it's gimp.org, but just in case, type in GIMP imaging software in Google and you'll find it, and it's a free download, and they'll have a different download for whatever operating system you have, including Apple. They do have an Apple version as well. So get that software and open. So I'm opening up my GIMP image editing software, and I'm going to show you what to do here. So basically we're just going to open the file or the header that we have, which I've got stored on my desktop. Yeah, I think that's the one. Now we're going to scale it. See, 750 by 188. We need this to be 700. So we're going to click on Image, Scale Image, and we're going to drop this to 700. Then we're going to go scale. Then we are going to save it. And we can save this as an original image, or if you want to overwrite or you want to keep the old image, you might want to just put a 1 here to save it as a new image. So I'll click on save. Oops, I messed up there. And I got my extension wrong there. It's harbor1.jpg. So we will save that again, and we are replacing it because I've already done this once. And you'll get this thing here. I don't know why anyone would choose anything less than 100% quality, so pick what you want. But there we have our new image saved. Now we can upload it to our server and we can use it. So in the sake of saving time, I've actually already uploaded this to my freeflashheaders.com site. So I have it hosted, but like I said, if you do need a to host it on a web server, if you don't have one, there just type in free image hosting and you'll find several places that you can host images on for free. I am suspecting that if you are making graphics for a website, you do have your own server, so that's probably not going to come into play with you. But in the event that it does, type in free image hosting and you'll find it. Once you have uploaded your image to your server, get your image URL and paste it into this section here. So I've got it uploaded to my freeflashheaders.com site in a folder called images, and then the image name, and you got to make sure that's checked off. And then actually we need to create a new header here, so I'm going to call this Harbor, and that'll erase all the work, no problem. So actually I have to put that back in again, so a little error there on my part. So okay, so we've uploaded the image to the server. We have the image URL. Now we can start taking some designing the header. So I'm just going to make sure that this is reading the header, and there you go. So the image is now working with our software. So now it's just a matter of editing the lines and the effects. So you know, this one looks like a fishing one, so I'm just going to put Bob's fishing supplies. Okay. Just to give you a rough idea. I mean, obviously you can get a lot more better, fancier than this. You know, you might want to make that stand out a little bit more. I'll take a pretty big, bold font here. That's a good one. Now I'll make this stretch out. Maybe too much. No, it fits perfect. All right, and I'm going to add an effect. Since it's all about water, let's use the ripple effect. And then you might want to put a little domain in there. Bob's fishing supplies.com, and we're gonna just move that over here and maybe change the color of that. Let's make it stand out a little bit. No effects on that. We're gonna loop this effect, and duration, let's do a shorter one, and let's save and see what our new header looks like. All done within a couple of minutes. bobsfishingsupplies.com. How about that? It took nothing more than a couple minutes to put this thing together from scratch using your own image. So you are not restricted with our software. You can make any image background you want. So we now believe we have the best Flash editing software on the market for the price. So do check out Gold Membership. I think you will be very pleased that you will never have to hire a graphic designer again, and you will be able to make your own graphics quickly and easily. Oh, I see I still have an affiliate link. Of course, as a Gold member, we don't need to have that. We will save and we'll just take another peek just to show you how that worked. So now oops, what did I do there? So now there is no affiliate link, and it's just Bob's Fishing Supplies. You get the idea. Fantastic. You choose your own backgrounds now. Make as many headers, graphics, banners, footers as you can possibly imagine. Good luck. Enjoy.